Hello guys, good morning. Welcome here to our channel, The Organic Life 101. If you are new here, please give me a favor, subscribe our channel, watch first, even it is 3 minutes, full watch, and hit the notification button. So it will not be wasted, it will not go into the spam. Okay, anyway guys, gagawa tayo ng banana, frozen strawberry, and frozen blueberry. So, let's make some of the shake. This is our blueberry frozen. Why it is frozen, guys? Tips lang po. Frozen is already, have ice. No need to use ice anymore. Okay, if you don't have available ice, froze your fruits. So that's the best way. So this is the routine of my kids. So I just good. Very good. Milk. Put some milk. Very easy, guys, huh?
Moment, so I can read for all of us now.
So this is our here. So ready to build. Ready to blend. Everything is there. And this is it. So ready to blend. I think we need some more milk here.
Mama.
That's it. So no need to use sugar, guys, okay? We will not going to use the sugar because we have our banana, strawberry, and blueberry. So ready now. Yan, ready na yung atin. Parang mayroon tayong Jollibee, You know, guys, we like these Jollibee cups. It's very sturdy and very, it's made in USA. So, just like you have on the go. That's the washing machine over there at the background. Oh, this is good. Summertime.